Hello students, in this video we are going to see AES key expansion reasoning, AES decryption and implementation aspects of advanced encryption standard. AES key expansion. It takes 128-bit key and expands into an array of 44, 52, 60 or 32-bit words. Start by copying key into the first 4 words. Then loop creating the words that depend on the values in previous and 4 places back. In 3 or 4 cases, just XOR of these together is done. The first word in 4 has rotate plus SBox plus XOR round constant on previous before XOR 4th back. Rendell developers designed the expansion key algorithm to be resistant to known cryptanalytic attacks. It is designed to be simple to implement, but by using round constants break symmetrics and make it much harder to deduce other key bits if just some are known. The first block of AES expansion is shown here. It shows each group of 4 bytes in the key being assigned to the first 4 words. Then the calculation of next 4 words is based on the values of the previous 4 words, which is repeated enough times to create all the necessary subkey informations. The design criteria included knowing part key insufficient to find many more, invertible transformation, fast on wide range of CPUs, use round constants to break symmetry, diffuse key bits into round keys, enough nonlinear to hinder analysis, simplicity of description. AES decryption is not identical to encryption since steps done in reverse, but it can define an equivalent inverse cipher with steps as for encryption, but using inverse of each step and with a different key schedule. It works since the result is unchanged when swap byte substitution and shift rows, swap mix columns and add round key. AES can be implemented very efficiently on an 8-bit processor. AES round key is used as a byte-wise XOR operation. Shift rows is a simple byte shifting operation. Sub-bytes operates at a byte level and only requires a lookup of 256-byte table S. Mix columns can be implemented as bytes XOR and table lookups with the second 256-byte table X2. Second part, AES can also be very efficiently implemented on a 32-bit processor by rewriting the stage transformation to use 4 table lookups and 4 XORs per column of state. These tables can be computed in advance and it need only 4 KB to store the whole tables. The developers of Rendell believe that this compact, efficient implementation was probably one of the most important factors in the section of Rendell for AES. Fine, we have come to the end of this topic. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you.